Hey guys, it's Ben from Joe's Gaming Electronics, here with another video on the 3DR Solo. Today I'll be showing you how to pair a new controller with your drone. So let's get started. First off, you're going to want to power up the controller. So just press and hold the power button. And then power up the drone as well. And let it go through the cycle, give it at least a minute to get powered up and totally set up. Alright, so here you can see I have a pre-flight update ready to go. This is because previously I reset this controller, which we'll have another video showing you how to do that. At this point, what you'll want to do is go to the bottom of the drone and just press and hold this pairing button with some sort of thin tool. I just made this tool by breaking a needle nose tweezer in half. So you want to hold down this pair button for about 3 seconds. Just like that. And here you can see this detected the solo. So just press and hold A and B. And now we're paired. So at this point, it's going to be telling me to finish the update, so I would pair it to my phone. But if you're just pairing a new controller with your drone and it's already been previously updated, you wouldn't see this screen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this, please leave a comment below. If you need any parts for the 3DR Solo, we do sell them on our website, www.joesge.com. Thanks again, and have a fantastic day.